शर्मिला जी, आप एक फिल्मी पृष्ठभूमि से हैं और अब सोहा भी आपके नक्शे कदम पर है, बहुत नाम कमा रही, बहुत आगे बढ़ रही, गॉड ब्लेस सर। आप उसके निर्णय के लिए खुद को कैसे गौरवान्वित महसूस करती हैं?
मैम,
I think. Are you?
Please, no,
no.
ma'am.
Bolo kya bolna?
please, please,
I was going to answer your mother's question.
please,
first.
ma'am.
Yeah. I think you have to ask her that. I mean, I'm very happy that, you know. And I think it's a matter of luck also, you know. How she turned. I did my best. क्योंकि उस वक्त तो हमारे पास मोबाइल फ़ोन भी नहीं होते थे और हम डबल शिफ्ट कर रहे थे. So, you know, she just grew up on her own, I think. I don't know what I did. But looking back, I think, I don't know how I managed, but I'm really, really proud, as you say, the way it's turned out. And she's worked very hard and she's achieved a lot. And I'm really very happy.
Soha, what do you think? How instrumental is it for a mother to be a part of a daughter's dreams?
I would say it's incredibly important. Family is very important, and I think that within the family, the role that my mother has certainly played in my upbringing, I feel the level of confidence that I have today, a true feeling that the world is at my feet. I'm aware of my limitations also, which I'm thankful for. And again, that's a certain grounding that you get an education from school and you get an education at home. And both of those are invaluable. And one of the things that I learned at home and from my mother was the value of education as a whole and how that was very important before you do anything. So whatever you want to do with your life, whatever you want to become when you grow up, first you must complete your education to, as you know, certainly up until a bachelor's degree. After that, I was insistent that I wanted to do a master's degree, mainly because I didn't know what I wanted to do with my life. I hadn't decided what my career should be. So my parents, and especially my mother, when it came to education, was something that she was very passionate about. I think her whole family has been passionate about education for many years. So that has been instilled in us. And there was never any distinction between my brother and myself when it came to what we wanted to do. And parenting is something that is so complicated. I can't imagine being a parent. And you can really, you shape a young child. And that's a huge responsibility. I think, and I suppose I do have to give my mother a lot of credit for that.
Well, thank you, Soha. You know, that's what I said, that please ask her what she thought about my parenting. So I'm glad. But yes, taking from her, I would say that education is the one single most important thing. And I think we, both my husband and I, just valued that. And we felt that if we had to give our children the best of education, and aage, whatever decision they want to take, just create options, because the education empowers. Education opens up the whole world in front of you. With education, you can deal with success, you can deal with failures. You become a person. You are not indebted, or you're not, nobody can manipulate you. Nobody can take education away from you. You can lose money, you can be rich today, you can be poor tomorrow. But if you're educated, you remain educated. It's something that is there forever. So I think we valued it. My parents valued it. My mother gave us that confidence. We don't have a brother. I had only 2 other sisters. So we do, you know, they didn't make us feel that sons were important. And they gave us equal opportunity. They gave us the best that they could afford. And we felt that we should also give our children a good education. And the rest is their destiny and what they make of that. So to that extent, we prioritized education.
एजुकेशन के अलावा जब इन्होंने फिल्मों में होगी आपके आगे, तभी आपने इनकी मदद की?
जी, वैसे हमने सोचा था कि she would follow an academic career. पहले तो फोर्ड फाउंडेशन में काम कर रही थी in the developmental field. तो हमने सोचा था, उसके बाद she started working with Citibank Then we thought maybe she's changed her mind and she's going to do some. Then she started, showing interest for working in films. And her first film was a Bengali film, which I was quite happy about, being a Bengali. And so, yes, I mean, we didn't expect it, but we were supportive. We felt, like she herself said, that you have given me the education, you've given me the exposure, you've created that option, now I want to exercise that option. So I said, yes, definitely, you have to exercise the option. I can't say that, yes, do this and don't do that. To Zarur, we didn't expect it, but we were very supportive. We didn't expect Saif also to go into the film, because they were kept away from films completely. But that's what they chose, and we were supportive of that.
Soha, your thoughts on the same? Of following your mother's footsteps?
It's been 10 years since I chose to work in films. I remember not telling her because I was terrified of what my parents' reaction would be. And one thing I wanted to do more than anything else was to always make them proud. And I felt that because of my extensive education, that they perhaps wanted me to do something else. And one of the questions that I'm faced with most, which I've always said is such a ridiculous question, is that if you were going to be an actress, why did you study so much? And I've always thought that that was such a silly question, because an education is surely more than a means to a job. It's an end in itself. And it really has contributed, my education, into making me who I am. When I went to Oxford, it wasn't about learning history. I can't remember 5 history dates, but I learned how to, balance a checkbook, how to make friends with people from all over the world, how to represent my country, how to, operate a washing machine, how to cook, how to catch a bus. So there were so many things that I learned, and I discovered so many things about myself. So I think that this is my third profession. One of the wonderful things about an education and that support system at home, which really enables you to be the best that you can be and try out different things without judgment. And that's something that I'm grateful for what I received from my family and from my school and the schooling that I got, was that I've been able to take chances that if Ford Foundation was something that I got a lot of satisfaction from, I wanted to then try what it was like to do investment banking. I did that for 1.5 years and realized that that wasn't something that I enjoyed. But I've always enjoyed acting and theater, so let me try films. So again, there was no judgment at home, which is something that I'm grateful for. The world may judge you, and the press and the media may judge you, but I think if you have a secure, non-judgmental schooling system and a family system, and people who encourage you to really try out things and be the best that you can be, then that's something that's very special. And I would want that for all the young girls out there.
Absolutely.
माएं बनाती हैं बच्चों को. मैं एक बार सोहा से पूछना चाहूंगी. सोहा, आपने